I'm back from outer space. Sometimes in the season, I'll get some like pimples because it's rare I get pimples. I get pimples and then it leaves like dark marks on it. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Shayna Wheatley, aka Miss Kisses or Miss Red Kisses if you must, and I'm back with another video. I decided to try out this face mask, and I've seen this on YouTube more recently now, but I've seen it like a few years ago and I've been researching it for a while, and I'm like, you know what, let me try it. I'm gonna try a turmeric mask. There's different ways that people have been doing it, and I chose to do it with the ingredients I felt that is best and then what I had as well. I am going to try to do it for either 3, 5, or 7 days as of right now. If I see it's not really working and it's doing something like counterproductive, I'm going to stop. So let's see what happens with my face. The reason why I decided to do this is because my face has been like breaking out, and anytime I get, I don't know, it's like sometimes in the season I'll get some like pimples because it's rare I get pimples. I get pimples and then it leaves like dark marks on it. So I'm gonna show you my skin, what it looks like before. This is it. These are the annoying little pimples that I got. Yeah, that's my birthmark. Pimples. These are the new marks that I got that is leaving some stuff behind. I don't know. It's annoying. Definitely wear an old shirt or something like that, so that way when you do use it, it doesn't get all over your clothes. And I heard it's very messy, so I have a brush. So it was my first time doing it, as you see, and I felt like it was like a little too runny because it kept dripping down. And yeah, I had to keep adding more and more of the honey and turmeric to see if that was the issue. And overall it still was runny, but it still sat on my face pretty okay, and I just have to keep wiping little parts like my eyes and my mouth for a bit, but it worked out and I got it done. Okay, so we're at day 2. I already did the mask. As you see now, it's already setting and drying. I let it dry for about 25 minutes and it's ready to come off. My skin feels tight under it, not too tight where it's overbearing. So as I wash this off, I would say my skin definitely feels soft for sure. This is my face today. Let me take these off. I don't fully see much of a difference just yet. I would say this pimple definitely went down, and that's about it. If you watch my other videos, you know I travel, so when I left and I continue to do the mask, I left my brush at home. So I'm using this makeup sponge. Oh, I forgot to say it. I didn't wear any makeup or whatever today, and it was hot, so I was sweating a little bit, not too much. But I came inside and I was like, let me wash my face. And I didn't even put soap or anything yet. I just put like water and put the water to the on the rag to my face, and my face had like yellow residue on it, and I'm assuming it's from this mask, but I'm like, I know I washed my face off fully. As you've seen, there was nothing else on me, and yeah, so I'm wondering like during sweat if I'm sweating out the color. That's interesting. I might look that up. If I don't, you look it up for me. And if you decide to watch it this long, comment down below and let me know what the answer was. I'm back from outer space. Face. Whatever the words are. I'm back. Mask is hard. We're gonna see what it's looking like when it comes off. Not even gonna lie, it was hard to take off this mask sometimes because it just wanted to stay on my face, and I kept seeing the yellow tint even when I used something to like soap to wipe it off. I get it now why your skin ends up even tone, because you end up even yellow all over the place. Just even yellow, not yellow, yellow. I use this Ambi soap all the time on my face for like years now. So yeah, this is the even complexion soap. I'm glad I can still see the yellow in it. I hope I didn't put too much or leave it on that long. I don't think I was so long. The yellow's actually coming on. Still there, but until next time, peace. So right now it's a new day. I'm taking off my makeup. From the clip before, the marks are still there, and it's there, but it's a little bit lighter, which is great, and it's the goal to try to get it lighter and try to get my skin as even as possible. Also, you would see me skipping days of recording, but I did not skip days of doing the mask. This got dried out. Feels like it's about to leave that mark. I'm not even gonna lie, there's been days where I'm looking at my skin and I'm like, this ain't working. Like, they lied. Who lied to me? This ain't working. But I do see results slowly. I don't know how drastic the results will be towards the end of when I do this, but I have been seeing slight results. Still having these. I think they're stress bumps. Okay, so you can see this is after I washed it off. I definitely see these marks lightening up. The pimples are definitely going down. The marks are still there, but I can see it's significantly lighter. Out of all the days, this is the day that the consistency has been really good on my skin when I applied it. It took so long to get here, but listen, I got it. Finally done. Let me take this off real quick. So on June 26th, I decided to stop the turmeric mask and just let my skin be for about a week or so and come back later and see if I see a difference like in my everyday life. And I can say I feel like it did work. I did see a difference. To me, it moved a little slow, but as you can see in these clips that I have here, there is definitely a difference. It looks different up close as far as a little further back, but there is definitely a difference, and I feel like it definitely works. This next clip is a clip of me that I took on July 1st, that is, and I have on no makeup. I'm in the store talking about something, and this is my face without no makeup, and as you can see, it's a little bit more clear and it's a little more even tone. The mark that you see on the right side of my face that was very apparent, it is gone and it is not on my face anymore. These pictures I took on July 25th without any makeup, and as you can see, it's obviously from after the whole experiment, and you can definitely see how my skin has changed from the 14th of June until the 25th of July. If any of you guys decide to do this turmeric mask, please let me know in the comment section, and be sure to check back in with me to let me know if it worked out for you. I would love to hear your stories. Just to let you guys know, my skin has flourished since then, but I will say months down the line, something did happen to my skin, and I noticed it has something to do with my eating and some other stuff. So stay tuned to see what happened in that video when I do post it. Until next time, later.